1. You have been directed by upper management to block employees from accessing Facebook from the corporate machines. Which would be the easiest way to exercise this control? A. Application allow list. B. Application block list. C. DLP. D. Content filtering. Answer D. Facebook is accessed via a browser, so you would need to install content filtering. 2. Having an expired certificate is an example of what type of error? A. Mobile device management. B. Configuration. C. Application whitelisting. D. Content filter/URL filter. Answer B. A certificate error is typically caused by a configuration error associated with the certificate. 3. A system-focused set of predetermined automation steps is an example of what? A. Isolation. B. Runbook. C. Playbook. D. Firewall rules. Answer B. The wording system-focused points to a runbook. A playbook is business process-focused. 4. Your business application server sends data to partners using encrypted, signed messages. You hear from one of the partners that their messages have ceased coming. What should you investigate? A. Application whitelist. B. Application blacklist. C. The playbook for the system. D. Configuration settings of the process. Answer D. The certificate has likely been revoked or removed from that user's identity and no longer marked valid by the certificate authority. This is a configuration error. 5. You have kiosk-based machines in the lobby and scattered through the facility. They do not require a login for guests to access certain items. What is the best way to protect these machines from users introducing Trojans? A. Application allow list. B. Application block list. C. Data loss prevention. D. Configuration settings of the process. Answer A. Strict application allow listing will limit what runs on the system to only those applications authorized. 6. To coordinate team activities during an incident response event, what is the best way to communicate approved instructions? A. Runbook. B. MDM solution. C. Quarantine rule. D. Playbook. Answer D. Playbooks focus on communication team responses in the form of business-focused elements as opposed to technical machine elements. 7. Your security system has identified a specific executable as potentially dangerous. What is the best way to handle the specific item that was identified? A. Segmentation. B. Quarantine. C. Firewall rule. D. Playbook. Answer B. Because the item is an object, quarantine applies. Other methods of isolation belong to networks and systems. 8. Your company has merged with another company, and it uses a different release of accounting software than your company does. How could you provision user machines in accounting so they will not inadvertently run the incorrect version? A. Application allow listing. B. Isolation. C. Configurations associated with the application. D. Application block listing. Answer D. Application block listing. The application by version number will prevent specific versions from being executed on selected machines. 9. You wish to keep people from using the internal mobile network to play games on their personal phones. What would be the best method of managing this? A. MDM. B. Application block list. C. Content filter. D. Segmentation. Answer A. Forcing users to install an MDM solution before connecting their phone to the internal network resolves many security issues, including access control issues. 10. What is the primary purpose of a SOAR solution? A. To collect and aggregate diverse security data. B. To analyze data for anomalies and to create alerts. C. To produce approved, detailed response plans with respect to given incident response scenarios. D. To manage configuration changes on systems. Answer C. SOARs are known for producing runbooks and playbooks in response to specific conditions.